May I know your name? Sam?
Connor.
And where are you from?
Perth. Holiday.
How long will you stay in Bali?
5 days. Just walk around here. Maybe some food.
Đây langsung lah. Tuh lihat siap tuh. Nhớ lại là tôi đã mang. Siap.
Everyone's so nice.
Kita. Baik nih.
Yesterday.
My first time. Yeah. In Bali, my first time.
Like lawak and babi putih?
No, nothing like that. What do we have?
What do you think about mountains?
Very green.
And so many beautiful places.
Thank you very much. Raja.
And where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
India.
India.
I'm from Nepal in India.
When I grow up, I want to India with my friends.
One day you should go. It's a beautiful country as Indonesia. It's the same.
So where do you stay in Bali?
We are staying here in.
Do you have plan for today? May I know your plan?
So actually, this is the first visit a monkey forest. After that, we are gonna visit Ubud Palace. Also the market. Some places around here.
May I recommend a place for you?
Of course, yes.
First, I have Kampan Right Walk, and there you can jog by looking at the beautiful green scenery. Yeah, and second, at Ubud Market,
Yeah.
there you can buy souvenirs like mask, a bag from handicraft, or dessert, or something else.
Okay.
Thank you for that information. So informative. Thank you.
How long will you stay in Bali?
She would know. She's the planner. So I'm just holding the hand and that's it.
So we are gonna stay around 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Have you ever tried Balinese food like lawar or babi putih?
Oh yeah, I love nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng.
I love it.
He knows very well about
Yeah, I'm a
food.
chef also, so I like Balinese food. I like Thai, Balinese.
How do you think about Balinese people?
They are friendly, like you guys. Yeah, they are
Very
nice,
kind, very nice.
Yeah.
What do you think about Bali?
Beautiful place. I don't know yet very
Yeah,
much
there's
because it's
lot
our
to
second day.
discover. It's
But it's very beautiful.
it is a first second day in Bali, yeah, but
It
yeah.
is, yes.
Yes, so we're gonna discover slowly, but yeah, whatever I heard
So
from the
far, we are
friend
very
and
happy.
everyone, so whatever we saw in the internet is amazing, and now it's a time to discover, like one by one. So today is the first day that we are coming to
Visiting
the
places, yeah.
visiting places. So,
Do you like the winter in Bali?
The what?
The winter.
The cold weather.
weather,
Well, I never been in winter time here. I like more summer, hot weather. That's why we visit Bali in this season.
this season, yeah. But I don't know. So maybe raining season is not really good. Maybe I don't know. But yeah, I like in this season because that's the high season. That's the holiday season. Happy, you know. Yeah. So
How was the trip out here?
It was good. It was 6 hours flight.
Hours. Oh, yeah.
It's long, but it was good because we were very happy to arrive to Bali. So we had good expectation. Yeah, so far so good. No complaint.
One ask again. How do you think about Bali? From Bali,
Expect
flying.
Like in one word.
Yeah.
Wow. Peace. It's very peaceful.
Peaceful.
Very peaceful, very kind.
Thank you. This is our best best experience.
Okay.
So we hope we have a nice day at home.
yeah, thank you
Thank
guys,
you.
and I hope
Same
you're
to
doing
you.
great on your school, and you keep gonna go.
Can I ask one thing? We don't know. How do you say thank you?
Terima kasih. Yeah.
Terima kasih.
Suksma.
Yeah.
Okay, so Suksma.
All right,
yeah.
6 months to everyone.
Thank you so much.
I'll see you around.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Kadek Karina.
My name is Jenny.
My name is Komi. My name is Gita. We are from Student Senior High School, number 1 Masipur. May I know your name?
My name is Tasmin.
My name is David.
Where are you from?
We're from England. Yes.
Do you come to Bali for holiday or for business?
And holiday, it's our honeymoon.
Where do you stay in Bali?
Ayagandala, Ribut,
Or where are you from?
at Liverpool in England.
When we are grow up, I went with my friends to go England.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you think about Bali?
Very nice, very peaceful,
How do you think about Balinese people?
friendly, very friendly. Yes.
Do you have plan for today? May I know your plan?
We are going to the waterfall
Yeah.
and rice terrace.
May I recommend a place for you? First, I have Sampon Great Walk. There you can jog by looking beautiful green scenery. Second, I have Ubud Art Market. There you can buy some souvenirs like mask,
Yeah.
a bag from handicraft, or t-shirt, or something else. Maybe after this, you must go there.
Yeah.
Is it your first time visiting Bali?
It is, yeah.
How long do you stay in Bali?
2 weeks.
Do you like the weather in Bali?
Yeah, it's very warm compared to England.
Have you ever tried Balinese food like rawon or babi guling?
No, we want to try.
Yes.
Yes.
Rawon and babi guling is #1 delicious food in Bali.
Try.
Ntar dulu Bu.
Do you have any
Ya,
question?
ntar dulu Bu. Ya ada lagi ada project nih Bu. Ntar ya.
Thank you. This is our best experience to talk with you. So we hope you have a good day.
Thank you very much. Suksma.
Bye. Take a picture with your. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
We are from Senior High School #1 Masipur. My name is Kadek Karina.
My name is Komi.
My name is Ita. My name is Yitni.
And I am Nicole.
Where are you from?
United States. In Colorado.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
do you come to Bali for holiday?
For holiday, by myself. Mm-hmm.
How long are you going to be here?
1 month.
How long?
1 month.
Mhm.
Is it your
All over Bali. Everywhere. Mm-hmm.
Is it your first time?
It is my first time.
Do you have plan for today? May I know your plan?
Just walking around, seeing the sights. Mm-hmm.
May I recommend a place for you?
Sure.
First, I have Kampuan Red Walk. At there, you can jog by looking at beautiful green scenery.
Okay.
And then, second, I have Ubud Art Market. Do you
Oh,
know?
I've been there.
Yeah.
Mhm.
At there, you can buy some souvenirs like masks,
Yeah.
a bag from handicraft, or t-shirt, or
Okay.
something else.
Okay.
Yeah. After this, maybe you want to
Sure.
go there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
And what do you think about Bali?
So nice. Beautiful. Very nice people. Very kind.
May I know your profession or job?
I am an event planner. I plan events for groups. Hmm I travel a lot for work.
And how do you think about Balinese people?
Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Have you ever tried Balinese food like lawar or babi guling?
Not yet.
Not yet.
No, but I'm going to. Yes.
Yeah. Maybe after this.
Maybe after,
lunch.
yes.
Yeah. Because lawar and babi guling is number one food delicious in Bali.
Okay. Okay, I will try it. Yes.
Yes. Stay in Bali.
At a resort. Yep. Right by the yoga barn. Yep. It's very nice.
Thank you. This is our best experience to talk with you.
I love it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We
Yes.
hope you have a nice day.
Now I need to find my way out of here.
Can we take a picture?
Sure.
Yeah, you can.
Let me to introduce ourselves. My name is Whitney.
My name is Tommy. My name is Karina. You can call me Karina. Where are you from?
I'm from Germany. My name is Nina.
What do you think about Bali and Bali?
I really like it, and the Balinese people are so much more friendlier than in Germany.
Do you have plans for today? May I know your plan?
Yes, we visit the monkey terminal first, and after that we will go a bit shopping in the city
At Ubud Market?
at Ubud Market, and then we will go to Vietnamese restaurant. In total 4 weeks, but I have 2 days left.
Why do you like Bali for this decision for holiday?
I saw a lot on social media about the nice nature. I have visited so many places, like 3 nights in Canggu, 4 nights in Uluwatu, then we were in Niger, Bali. We've been traveling around.
How do you think about Balinese people?
They are really nice. So friendly, so nice, so beautiful. Thank you.
Our picture. This is our best experience to talk with you. So we hope you have a nice day.
Thank you so much.
Say bye bye to the camera.
Have a nice day.
Can we take a picture?
Yes, of course.
Halo. Gimana nih kesan-kesan kalian udah dapat berbincang dengan turis?
Kalau saya kesan-kesannya tuh kayak takut awalnya, tetapi jika dipelajari lebih lanjut saya semakin bisa dan semakin belajar untuk pede.
Menurut saya sebenarnya menginteraksi dengan tamu itu sejujurnya seru kalau kita mengerti bahasanya. Jadi kita dapat belajar bahasanya juga dan kita dapat pengalaman baru juga di sini dengan berbincang dengan tamu yang native speaker.
Kalau menurut saya sangat senang berbicara dengan mereka karena mereka saya jadi memiliki teman dari negara asing dan juga sejak saat itu saya cita-cita saya berubah menjadi seorang guide yang memiliki gaji yang tinggi.
Kalau menurut saya awal-awalnya mungkin saya grogi, tapi kalau sudah bersama mereka jadi bisa gitu, karena jujur saya kurang bisa dalam bahasa Inggris, tapi karena sudah didampingi sama teman-teman jadi bisa.
Bye bye.